Today, welcome all of you students. The next topic start from this day. The centripetal force. The centripetal force and centrifugal force. It is the application for the dynamics. The previous thing we read, which is a study for the kinematics of a circular motion. Here a dynamics and its application, it is the centripetal force and centrifugal force. The kinematics, it is the does not consider by the force. Kinematics of circular motion that can be studied for the does not considering by the force. But here the force will be considered in a dynamics. Therefore, the centripetal force, the particle should be moving in a circular of the forms. But the particle, it is a move in a changing different position by the different points. That is the change in velocity. Here, in a tangential form, changing its velocity by the different points. The particle move in a circular form, but the different position of the particle must be created by the different velocity. The velocity should be the change of a particle. The velocity must be changed by the particle. Then we have to be created. The velocity should be the change. Then the created by the accelerations. The change in velocity must be produced by the acceleration in a different position by the different point of the particle should be moving in a circular form. The particle also move in a constant speed, but the velocity should be goes on changing. By the highest position, lowest position, the velocity goes on changing in the form. This velocity must be changed. We have to be created by the accelerations. Then the acceleration must be changed. The centripetal force here, the particle must be produced by the center. In a centripetal force has the direction must be toward by the center. The centripetal force of a particle must be stored in a direction to the center. But the centripetal force actually by the particles does not provide in a moving on the circular forms. The centripetal force, it is acts as a direction toward the center. The particle move in a uniform circular motions. The centripetal force is acts at the center of the particles. Means the particle in a move in a center also. Therefore, what is the defined by the centripetal force? The centripetal force, it is a particle acting on, it is a particle, the centripetal force acting on the particle acting and performing the particles if acting on a particle, performing UCM, performing UCM means uniform circular motions directed toward the center, directed towards the center along the radius, along the radius. The centripetal force, it is a defined and it is acting on a particle performing in a UCM directed toward the center along the radius. अभिकेंद्रिकीय बलामुळे त्या ठिकाणी तो पदार्थ त्याच्या वर्तुळाकार गतीने त्याच्या केंद्रकाभोवती फिरत असतो. That should be provided by the centripetal force. For example, the sun should be the earth here. Suppose consider the particle, it is moving on the earth and it is directed toward the sun, which can be moved. The earth should be moving in a circular form, but it is directed toward the sun because the earth, it is acts on the gravitational force of the sun. Then the earth should be moving in a circular form of the sun. It is the centripetal force is exerted by the center, directed toward the center. Or another example also should be moving the electrons. The electrons also moving in the nucleus. The electron should be moving in a circular of the form, that is the orbit. The electrons, it is the moving in a circular form of the center because the center, that is the nucleus, and nucleus must be exerted by the photons, that is the positive, that is the whole, and electrons should be the charge, it is the negative charge by the electrons, and center of the nucleus must be created by the positive charge. Therefore, positive and negative must be the electrostatic force should be the created. The electrons moving along a circular form in the nucleus. That is the centripetal force should be the necessary by the center. This is the centripetal force. We have to be the created in a circular motion by the electrons, by the earth, by the particles, and the particle which is moving along a circular forms. That is the directed toward the center along the radius of that particle of the earth or electrons. This is the centripetal force. The centripetal force must be created by the changing velocity. Changing velocity should be created by the acceleration. Then acceleration is equal to the minus omega square into r. Angular velocity. The circular motions means the angular velocity should be the created. The formula must be created by the centripetal force. The centripetal force is equal to m into r omega square or mv square divided by r. That is the centripetal force having the formula must be created. The particle is moving in a circular form. It is the directed toward the center. Then next points, it is the centrifugal force. The difference between the centripetal force. The centripetal force, which is also a characteristic. This is a force, it is the real force. Means the force must be exerted by the particle and particles should be the moving in a circular form. For examples, also another, when they consider a stone must be tied to the any springs, then moving also a circular forms. That is the zoom. Means moving in a circular forms. That is the force should be created by these stones, which is the moving in a circular form at the center should be produced by the centripetal force of that stone or particles. Then the particle, that stone must be created by the circular motion. This force, it is the centripetal force exerted toward the center. Therefore, the centripetal force, it is the real force. Or second characteristic, that is the definition by the first characteristic, the directed toward the center. It is the directed toward the center. Means a distinct use between the centripetal force and centrifugal force. Having the first characteristic, it is the definition of the centripetal force. It is the directed toward the center. Second characteristic, it is the real force. An example, the electrons must be moving along the nucleus, or Earth should be moving along the sun. That is the example by the centripetal force. Or formula, centripetal force is equal to m square divided by r, or mr into omega square. That is the formula must be created by the centripetal force. That is the fourth characteristic must be taken by the distinct use between in a centripetal force or centrifugal force. Another next point, it is the centrifugal force. Centrifugal force, that is the अपकेंद्रकीय बल्स, अभिकेंद्रकीय आणि अपकेंद्रकीय बल्स. These four, suppose I consider the car which is moving on a curved road surface. The car which is moving on a curved road surface. The centripetal force, it is the away from, that is the centers, in this direction. The centripetal force acts as a direction by this car in a inner side, means away from the center, and that is the centripetal force. And the car should be moving on a curved road, that the centrifugal force must be created, must be exerted in a away from the centers. Centrifugal force. The centrifugal force by the car, which is the away, and centripetal force is the inner side. Centrifugal force must be outer side. The car should be moving up a curved road. The sitting of the person, of the man, must be moved on a curved road. That is the force indirectly must be created by the sitting of the person. The centrifugal force, it is the away from the centers, must be exerted on the sitting of the person, of the man. Away from the center means बाह्य बल आपण त्या ठिकाणी इनडायरेक्टली फोर्स त्या ठिकाणी त्या मनुष्यावर केंद्रित होत असतो. लक्षात घ्या, बाह्य बल त्या ठिकाणी निर्माण होतं, इनडायरेक्टली फोर्स त्या ठिकाणी क्रिएट होतो. When a car is moving on a curved road, then the person should be moved in the car or in this direction. That is the direction sitting of the person, of the man, toward the left, and the force must be directed toward the right also. The car should be moving in a left, the person should be toward the right. This indirectly force should be created by the person, of the man. Opposite force must be created of the sitting. Then acceleration, the car should be a move in a change its velocity. The acceleration should be also produced. The acceleration must be created by the car is moving on a curved road. That is the indirectly force should be created by the centrifugal force. Centrifugal force, it is defined as the force of a particle acting on a directed away from the center. The force should be directed in away from the center along the radius. It's called as the centrifugal force. The centrifugal force, it is also a formula, that is the mr omega square or mv square divided by r. The formula must be the same as the centripetal force and centrifugal force, because the car should be also moving in a circular forms, that is the circular forms, but the force is exerted in a away from the center. Centripetal force, it is the inner side of the center, must be toward the center, and centrifugal force, it acts as away from the center. This is the difference between the centripetal force and centrifugal force. The distinguish between means a characteristic of the centrifugal force, it is the shadow force. The centrifugal force, it is the real force. This force, it is the away from the center, away from the center. That is the definition by the first characteristic distinguish between in a centrifugal force. Second, it is the shadow force. It is the shadow force. Then third, as the example, when a car is moving along a curved road, then the sitting of the person, of the man, the car should be moved in toward the left, the sitting of the person, man, which is towards in a left. That is the opposite direction must be created. The indirect force should be the acts on a sitting of the person, of the man. Then this force we have to be produced by the towards in a man in the right side. Therefore, this example must be used the third characteristic, and fourth as the formula, that is the centripetal force is equal to mr square is equal to mv square divided by r. The 2 point must be created. The 2 question must be created here by this point. The explain the centripetal force and centrifugal force. This is the first question by 2 marks, or the distinguish between the centripetal force and centrifugal force. The next topic must be today, your next day.